Hello dear children, today we are going to study the next organ system, that is respiratory system, from science chapter number 1, human body. Children, in last video we had learnt about skeletal system, muscular system and respiratory and circulatory system. So today we are going to study the respiratory system. Okay, it is also one organ system of our body. So student, all of you know that we are breathing with our nose. Okay, and the process of breathing is called respiratory system. So in respiratory system, nose, windpipe and lungs are consist. So nose, windpipe and lungs form the breathing or respiratory system. Okay, so हम किससे respiratory system बोलते हैं? Nose, this is a windpipe and these are two are lungs. It's these organs together are called respiratory system. So this function of the respiratory system, so we breathe through our nose, correct? In respiratory system we breathe through our nose. हम कहाँ से breathing करते हैं? Nose से. The air we breathe in reaches the lungs through the windpipe. Means student, when we are breathing with our nose, the air goes in our body through this windpipe. This organ is called windpipe. Okay, through the lungs. मतलब हम जब नोज से ब्रीदिंग करते हैं तो एयर नोज से विंड पाइप से अंदर जाती है और कहाँ जाती है? टू लंग्स में. So these process is called inhale. We inhale the air. We inhale the air through the windpipe and it reaches into our lungs. Correct? So we have how many lungs? 2 lungs inside our body. The lungs helps us absorb oxygen from the air and release carbon dioxide. Then what is the function of the lungs? So these lungs absorb the oxygen from the air and release the carbon dioxide from our body. तो lungs का function क्या है? Lungs एयर में से ऑक्सीजन अंदर लेते हैं और कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड बाहर छोड़ते हैं. Okay, so we breathe out, exhale or breathe out or exhale carbon dioxide. Means when we are taking air, that process is called inhale, and when we are breathe out carbon dioxide, that is called exhale. That process is called exhale. Okay, so student, our respiratory system consists of nose. See, this is our nose, windpipe and lungs, and these all body parts together form called respiratory system. Have you got my points, students? Okay. So student, this is also very important system or important organ system of our body, and through this respiratory system we inhale oxygen from the air and we are exhale carbon dioxide into the air. Okay, so that's why this system is called respiratory system. Student, our next system is digestive system. So our next the organ system is called digestive system. So in digestive system, the mouth, food pipe, this is stomach, liver, pancreas, large intestine, small intestine and uns together form the digestive system. So which internal organ are consist in the digestive system? Mouth, food pipe, this is stomach, this liver, pancreas, large intestine, small intestine and the uns. These all external these all internal organs together form digestive system. Okay, so now we will see the function of this digestive system. So digestive system helps the body to digest the food we eat. Correct? Means when we eat our food from through our mouth, that food is digested in our stomach with the help of digestive system. करेक्ट. सो हम जब फूड खाते हैं तो वो फूड स्टमक में डाइजेस्ट होता है. किससे वजह से? डाइजेस्टिव से, बिकॉज ऑफ द डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम. Throws out undigested food through the urns, and see, our food get digest in the stomach, correct? Or and undigested food through out from our body with the help of urns, correct? With the help of urns. मतलब हम जब फूड खाते हैं वो स्टमक में डाइजेस्ट होता है, और जो अनडाइजेस्टेड फूड होता है वो अंस से बाहर आता है, और throws out from the urns. Okay, so student, again I am telling you. So digestive system consists of mouth, this is the food pipe, stomach, liver, pancreas, large intestine, small intestine, and uns. Okay, and uns. So these all internal organs together form digestive system, and the food that we eat, that will digest in our stomach. So this is the function of the or work of the digestive system. And student, this is also a important part of our organ system, correct? So next organ system is called nervous system. Okay, look at the figure. So nervous system consists of brain, spinal cord, and the nerves. Okay, so these all internal organ together form nervous system. Brain, spinal cord, and the nerves form the nervous system. Now let's see the functions of the nervous system. So first is the brain gives instruction to all parts of our body. So this brain, our brain is see, in the nervous system, brain is giving instruction to all parts of the body. Second is the nerves carry instruction from the brain to various parts of our body, and messages from various parts of the body to the brain, correct? So when brain gives the instruction, after that, see, these small nerves, they are carrying the message to the all parts of the body, and again they message from various part of the body to the brain, and again they carry the message from the various part of the body to the brain. मतलब जब ब्रेन इंस्ट्रक्शन देता है तो ये नर्व्स है, वो ब्रेन के इंस्ट्रक्शन बॉडी के अदर पार्ट्स को सेंड करते हैं, और बॉडी के जो अदर पार्ट्स है वो उनके मैसेज नर्व्स को सेंड करते हैं, और दे नर्व्स सेंड टू द ब्रेन, करेक्ट? सो दिस इज द फंक्शन ऑफ द नर्वस सिस्टम. सो ब्रेन, spinal cord, and the nerves form the nervous system. So student, today we have learnt about respiratory system, digestive system, and the nervous system. Okay, so student, these are the important organ system of our body. So again you read all the topic and draw the diagram of respiratory system, digestive system, and the nervous system in your science notebook, and complete your homework. Thank you students.